he fails to do an intro. Holdyn here. Cole, he just like walked off into the house. He's a jerk. I care. But no, today what we're working on is my Dodge. And a couple days ago, I was on my way to work. I took a left turn going like 4 miles an hour into a driveway. And something started wobbling, so I was like, okay, no clue, I'll just look at it after work. After work, completely forgot to look at it, started pulling away, and the wobble happens again. It's like crap. So then I pulled in to the gas station near my work, looked everything over, and somehow I broke 4 out of the 5 lug studs of my rear passenger wheel. And that's just really weird how all 4 break all at once, taking a left turn going 4 miles an hour. So yesterday we were gonna limp it over here to Cole's garage, and well, that didn't make it that far. We made it about 2 blocks, and the tire decided to go bye-bye, and the Dodge decided, hey, we're gonna take a sit. So jacked it up. We got a couple of the wheel studs on there. We got it back to Cole's. Right now we got 3 on there right now that we got on there yesterday. There's the 1, the 2, the 3. We're gonna go ahead and take the tire off, take the drum off, and we'll get the other 2 on there. And eventually we'll get around to the other 3 tires, because, you know, if one wheel is going to decide to do that, I'm sure one of the other 3 will not too shortly follow after. And before I'm going 70, 80 down a highway instead of 20, 25 through town, and one of the tires decides to pop off, something really bad could happen. So yeah, we're gonna get these other 2 on there while Cole is being a jerk, not coming out here with us. Butthole.
Take my eyes open to force reality. Why can't you just let me eat my weight in glee?
And that's it, kids. All 5 are on. So we get the tire on and 5 brand new lug studs. If you guys ever have to do it, I definitely recommend you get one of these. Get the tool for the job. Because I forgot to inform Cole on that there was a tool for the job, and we ruined 2 of the brand new studs, had to wait. That's why it took a couple days. Do stuff the proper way. If they make a tool, use it. This is the stud installer. What it does is you slide it onto the stud, put the lug nut on. What it does is pull the stud through without damaging any of the threads or any of the splines on the stud. And it just saves you time, because as you can see, it just pulled those studs right in, and it took me maybe 5-10 minutes to get 2 studs in. Anything you would like to say, sir?
Don't drive on 1 wheel stud. You'll see why.
I already told him what happened,
I
sir.
don't know, recommended if you're going to replace wheel studs, it's probably a good idea to get this set and do all 4 corners. That way you've covered your bases and you're safe.
I told him that we're gonna do the other 3, because if one's gonna go out like that, more than likely 1 out of the 3 is gonna follow real close.
Always, if you've got the wheel off or you've got brake calipers off, do some preventative maintenance. Anything that's in that side of the vehicle, grease zerks, shocks, bearings, check all of it. You check all of it, and if you notice something that's off, get it replaced, and it'll be the easiest and fastest way to make sure that you stay safe yourself and keep others out of harm. Like Holdyn had a wheel fly off, that going 80 down the interstate, that could have hurt somebody. A little preventative maintenance goes a long ways as to the life of your vehicle. I've learned that the hard way.
Yeah, same here, obviously, because, you know, my wheel fell off. With that, this is Holdyn.
Hey, Cole.
We'll catch you next time. Have a good day.